In this video, we are going to discuss a few questions to check our understanding about the user and group management commands. So these are the few questions that we are going to discuss. So let's start from question number 1. The first question is, we need to create a user named Harry who is having the password Red Hat and UID is 5678. So the command will be useradd. Since I need to set the UID, so you will use -u option 5678 and the name of the user is Harry. Let us check whether the user is created or not. Cat etc passwd. So in the end we can check that the user is created and the UID is also 5678. The second part of the question is to set the password to Red Hat. So remember the command is passwd. Then write Harry, changing the password, so that is Red Hat, retype Red Hat, and the password is set. The second question is to create a group new user and we need to make this group the supplementary group for Harry. So the first part is we need to create the groupad new user. Next we need to make this group the supplementary group for Harry. For that you need to use usermod -G, group is new user, and then the user is Harry. Now let us check the etc group file. Right, so here you need to ensure that in front of new user in the last column Harry should be there. This means that this group new user is a supplementary group for the user Harry. The third question is you need to create a user named Ronnie, and this user should have no login shell. This is very important. So you will use useradd. Ronnie is the user -s for no login shell. So /sbin/no login. Again, let us check etc passwd file. Right, the last entry is sbin no login. So this ensures that this user Ronnie has no login shell. Fourth question, we need to change the GID of the new user group to 3333. So we'll use the groupmod command -G 3333 for new user. Let us check the etc group file. Alright, new user, the GID is changed to 3333. Last question, we need to delete the user Harry. So you will use user delete Harry and the user is deleted. So that's all for this video. See you next time.